Hello, I'm Zaf. This is a video on how to build a PC. Here are the components you need. First, you need a CPU. You can either choose Intel or AMD. Next, you need a GPU. It is stressful trying to buy these, so pick one based on your budget. Then, you need a motherboard. There are many types of motherboards, so choose the one compatible with your CPU. Then RAM. RAM is important. The more RAM you have, the faster your PC runs. Then, pick a case design that you like. Ha ha ha. After that, pick either you want to use SSD or HDD. Pick wisely. Finally, you need a power supply. Pick the correct wattage and your PC will run with no problem. Here are the steps. Step 1. Unbox your motherboard. Step 2. Install the CPU carefully. Do not bend the pins or you will have to buy a new one.
Okay.
Step 3. Install your SSD or hard drive to its slot. Step 4. Install your RAM carefully. Align the RAM to the slot. Then push with minimal force. Step 5. Install your motherboard into the case. Usually you just need to screw them. Step 6. Install your power supply to its position. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid electric static charges. Step 7. Apply thermal paste onto the CPU. Then install the cooler onto it. Step 8. Install your GPU. Similar like installing RAM. But this is easier. Step 9. Connect all the cables to the motherboard. Most of them needed power from the power supply. Step 10. Start tidying cables with zip ties or cable straps to keep your PC looking clean and tidy. Final step. Turn on your PC and install Windows OS. After that, install the GPU driver and configure the BIOS. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new PC.